Welcome. In this video, we are going to take a look at problem 24 from Chapter 5 of College Physics 2E by Openstax. Okay, this problem says, by what factor does the drag force on a car increase as it goes from 65 to 110 kilometers per hour? Let's start with what we know. Okay, we know velocity 1 is 65 kilometers per hour. We know velocity 2 is 110 kilometers per hour. We also know drag force is proportional to velocity squared. And that's all we really need, but let's write the formula too. So F sub D is 1/2 C rho A V squared. Okay, C is a drag force constant. Rho is the density of the fluid the object is moving through. A is the area that's facing the fluid, and V is the velocity of the object. All right, so the factor that it will increase by will be the drag force that is for the car going at 110 divided by the drag force for the car that's going at 65. So we can say FD2 divided by FD1. Okay, we can put the equations in. We will have 1/2 C rho A. This will be V2, and it is squared. This will be divided by 1/2 C rho A, V1 squared. Everything cancels, and all we're left with are the velocities. So V2 squared over V1 squared. That's all we were given, but that's all we needed. Okay, so we will have 110 kilometers per hour squared divided by 65 kilometers per hour squared. I did this computation and I got 2.86. So that is the factor the drag force increases by when the car goes from 65 to 110 kilometers per hour. I hope you found that helpful. Let me know in the comments section if you have any questions or other problems you want me to solve. Your feedback is important to me, and it will help me make better content for you. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.